So in this video, we're going to talk about the control panel and the electrical system in your motorhome. Now, starting off with the electrics, these run on 230 or 12 volts. So the 230 volt system, you need a plug-in cable for this. And when you're staying at the campsite, you have a bollard nearby. So to use that, you simply unroll the cable, plug it into the motorhome first, so you're not dragging a live cable about, then plug into the bollard. If your bollard has a separate switch, now's the time to turn it on. Now, this 𝗚𝗲𝘁 motorhome is incredibly good for off-grid. It's very capable. The 12 volt system will power everything except for the domestic style 3-pin sockets and the microwave. Everything else, your fridge, your heating, your hot water, will still work on that 12 volt system. And your leisure battery or batteries, depending on which model you have, will be charged up either via the solar panel, if you have one, or the on-site 230 volt connection. So let's move on to the control panel. How do you actually use all these things? The first important thing to do is press the control panel on. Now, it's currently on already. We've got the lights on in here. So if it's dark, nothing works, make sure you have the control panel on. Now we have a menu system here, but first of all, I'll just run through the clock. So to set the clock, press and hold the button. Each individual set of numbers will flash and you can set the desired time and it will take you back. So menu-wise, using the arrows, we go into settings, and you can alter things like the display, the sound that you can hear each time I press a button. Calibrate waste, calibrate water we'll cover in a separate video. We have auto pump, you can turn that on or off. Temperature unit, centigrade or Fahrenheit, and other notifications, firmware. Scroll to the bottom, press this arrow again, it saves your settings and then takes you back to the main menu. So beyond settings, we have fuel tank. Again, we'll do a separate video for the water system. Battery select, you may have an option to select between the vehicle battery and the leisure battery. Your waste level, that's your grey waste in your tanks and your water level. Again, we'll do a separate video for those. External temperature, so obviously it's a lovely, bright, chilly day here in Cheddar, 3 degrees at the moment. Thankfully, internal temperature is 21 degrees. So we have the leisure vehicle current, the vehicle voltage, 13.2, leisure voltage, 13.9, we're plugged in at the moment, and we're back to the time. So that is how to use your control panel menu system. And then we have separate buttons to the right. We have the pump. If I press that, you can hear the pumps turned on. This here is the lights, turn them off, turn them on. And the one at the right is the awning light. That's the light outside the door. And that is how to use your motorhome control panel. 2 handy points to note with the control panel. When you turn the ignition on, start the engine, it will automatically turn the control panel off. And talking of turning it off, when you leave the motorhome, it might be worth just switching it off, especially if you're off grid. It will just save your leisure battery.